what are the three beverages that are unquestionably healthy for you? There's no real controversy of them, all right? Because other drinks like juices and sodas, lots of controversy, lots of data.
Today, we're bringing you insights from Dr. William Li, a renowned physician, scientist, and author best known for his groundbreaking work in disease prevention and treatment through diet and lifestyle. With a focus on the science of eating to beat disease, Dr. Li's research has been instrumental in understanding how certain foods and drinks can promote health and longevity. His expertise and contributions to medical research make him a trusted voice in the field of nutrition. Based on Dr. Li's extensive research, here are the top drinks that can significantly enhance your health. Number 1, coffee.
If you want to actually be in the moment and not speed up your aging, it turns out that coffee can actually do that. There is a bioactive in coffee beans called chlorogenic acid, and this has been studied in human subjects drinking coffee. 1 to 3 cups a day of drinking coffee has been shown to slow down the burn rate of your telomeres. These are the caps at the end of your DNA that burn down like a fuse that reflect how fast you're actually aging. Coffee actually protects stem cells in your body. Now, our stem cells live in our bone marrow and they come out into our bloodstream to repair us from the inside out. Happens all the time. But as we get older, our stem cells are a little bit less vigorous than when we're younger. And a lot of things can affect this, including oxidative stress from the environment and just simply aging. And so one of the things that coffee does is it acts as a shield to our stem cells so they can actually keep on working as robustly and vibrantly as possible, regenerating us from the inside out. Coffee improves our metabolism, and chlorogenic acid activates our metabolism. And the way it does it is by stimulating the production of brown fat. And we've got different kinds of fat in our body. There's white fat that's wiggly and jiggly, and brown fat that's wafer thin. And one of the things that brown fat can do is get turned on like a space heater. And when it turns on like a space heater, it's a process called thermogenesis. And coffee turns on thermogenesis. And you know why thermogenesis in brown fat is useful? Because the brown fat will be triggered and it'll burn down the harmful white fat, the visceral fat. So good fat fights bad fat, and coffee actually makes that happen. So you actually get more energy and it increases your metabolism. And studies have been done to show that drinking up to 4 cups of coffee a day can actually help you lose body fat. In fact, up to about 8 pounds of body fat over about 6 months or so. Not a huge amount by itself, but every little bit counts, especially when it's actually burning away your harmful white fat. Another thing that coffee does is it's anti-inflammatory. So chlorogenic acid in coffee is very anti-inflammatory. We know that inflammation is the root cause for a lot of the diseases of aging. And so coffee, enjoy your cup of joe, actually helps you enjoy the rest of your days longer and better because it actually chills out inflammation as well. Coffee improves gut health. It turns out that when you drink coffee, the coffee chemicals actually get down into your gut and it protects our gut microbiome. It shifts the gut microbiome into a healthier state. So you've got better neighborhoods of gut bacteria. And as you know, better gut health is better overall health because our gut bacteria lower inflammation. And the way it does that is by releasing a metabolite called short chain fatty acids, or SCAFAs, SCFAs, that actually lower inflammation. And guess what? Drinking coffee helps your gut bacteria make more short chain fatty acids, more SCAFA. So these are all really great reasons why you would actually want to drink coffee every single day.
A little bit of caffeine, which I'm able to tolerate. Not everybody can tolerate caffeine. I'm not encouraging people to go after caffeine. I'm just saying that coffee is one of the third of the Holy Trinity.
Number 2, water.
Water actually is critical for hydration, critical to maintain our health defenses, critical for our metabolism. You need water in the system, okay? And drinking water is something that is very natural and important to us. And when you drink cool water, you activate these temperature gauges in our stomach that are triggering our metabolism to kind of warm up the water in our stomach so we don't cool our core body temperature. So there's even metabolic benefits to drinking water. Water is also satiating. So when you actually drink water with a meal, you're naturally stretching out your stomach a little bit. And rather than actually having food in there, that water stretch actually basically slows down your appetite, slows down your hunger as well, which also helps to contribute to preventing you from overeating as well. So water is really good for you. There's no, like it's a human right to drink water. We have to drink water. It's really great. Footnote to that, and this is actually something that I think really deserves careful research, more careful research is, bottled water, which is so commonly consumed, probably will have microplastics in it. Almost certainly does. And, even though the research hasn't clearly nailed what the harm of microplastics are, I would say it's probably not so good for you. We can find it like attached to a red blood cell circulating in our blood. That freaks me out actually to think about that. So if you can drink water, if you can drink water from a source other than bottled water, it's probably preferable.
Before we reveal Dr. William Lee's favorite drink, let's look at some notable mentions. Turmeric latte, also known as golden milk, is incredibly beneficial due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress.
The curcumin has a lot of properties: anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, it cuts off the blood supply feeding cancers. It actually is helpful for your stem cells as well. It really activates almost all of your body's health defenses, and it's good for your gut microbiome.
This drink can alleviate symptoms of arthritis and improve joint health by reducing inflammation and pain. The combination of turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon in golden milk has immune-boosting properties, helping the body fight infections. Turmeric and ginger also aid digestion by stimulating bile production and reducing symptoms of bloating and gas. Additionally, golden milk can improve brain function and lower the risk of brain diseases by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Curcumin in turmeric is believed to have anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing the spread of tumors. Another notable mention is kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is rich in probiotics, which improve gut health, aid digestion, and boost the immune system. The fermentation process produces glucuronic acid, which helps detoxify the liver and eliminate harmful substances from the body. Kombucha is also rich in antioxidants that protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, contributing to overall health. The probiotics in kombucha can improve mood and mental health by promoting a healthy gut-brain axis, potentially reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Additionally, kombucha can help manage blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. It's a low-calorie, low-sugar beverage that serves as a healthy alternative to sugary drinks, supporting weight management and overall health. And now let's talk about Dr. William Lee's favorite drink, green tea.
Green tea, especially, has a natural polyphenol that's called catechins, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, and the catechin is actually just part of the natural substance in the tea leaf. So whether you're brewing tea with a bag, or whether it's loose leaf tea, or whether it's matcha, which is just powdered tea leaves, the fact of the matter is that into the brew, into the liquid, the hot liquid, comes all these phytochemicals, including these catechins. So when you sip straight tea, the catechins go right in. They're easily absorbed by your body. And so, our blood levels of catechins go way up. So many things that catechins can do. One of the things that's important is actually it's a relaxant. It actually helps lower your stress. They help to fire up our brown fat to burn down harmful white fat, so they consume fuel. When fat goes down, your metabolism will actually naturally rise at any age, even middle age people. And by the way, you're also burning away harmful body fat packed inside the tube of your body, and eventually it will also start to affect the fat that you can see in the mirror. It actually also helps fight cancer. It's anti-inflammatory, kind of like curcumin. It's a substance that has so many beneficial things that, at least when I drink tea, I want to get as much as I can out of my food. I do recommend about 3 cups of green tea a day. That's where the good stuff starts to happen in your body. Tea leaves or tea bags can actually be used over and over and over again. We don't actually have to throw it out and get a whole new pot. Just put some loose leaf tea, hot water,
And you can sip that all day long, and you'll probably have more than 3 cups over the course of a day. By the way, don't add sugar to your tea. All right, drink it as straight as you can. And if you're going to add sugar, if you're going to put sweeteners, you can use honey, or you can use sort of more natural sweeteners. Just don't chunk lots and lots of cane sugar into it, and dairy too. I'm giving you some fine points here, but they're practical. I think people like practical
Yeah,
things.
absolutely.
The British tea is actually to use milk in your tea, the afternoon tea. Have a little milk or cream to your tea. A lot of people like that. Look, yeah, the polyphenols in the tea, the catechins that are good for us. That's what lights up your life. They get caught in the little soap bubbles that cow dairy actually forms in tea. These are invisible soap bubbles. You can't see them, but chemically they form soap bubbles. When you drink it, actually, the good stuff, the catechins, actually are still stuck in the bubble, and they just go right through your stomach. And so you only absorb maybe 30% of the good stuff. The rest of it just kind of tumbles out of you. All right. And so if you want to get the most, I always talk about getting the most out of whatever effort you're doing. If you hold back on the dairy, nut milk is okay. It's the cow milk that actually forms those bubbles. So almond milk, soy milk, those are fine if you want to cut it. So tea.
These beverages are delicious and packed with health benefits that can significantly improve your well-being. Incorporating them into your daily routine can lead to better heart health, enhanced brain function, improved digestion, and overall vitality. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference. So why not start with these powerful drinks? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips and advice. For more great insights, check out our video on top 10 delicious foods to naturally clean your arteries right here.